Hi, welcome to Freshers Life. Here I will explain how to apply for field engineer and more vacancies in Power Grid Corporation of India. In the top of page, you will find the company name, vacancy name, educational qualification, total number of vacancy, salary and other key information about this vacancy. This is the link of recruitment page. This link is given below the video. In the details passage, you will find the detailed notification about the vacancy like number of post, age limit and educational qualification. The last date to apply for this vacancy is 17th February 2015. When scrolling down at the bottom of the page, you see click here for more details button and click on it. This is the official notification page of Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Power Grid Corporation invites applications from eligible persons to fill up the vacancy of field engineers on contract basis. This page contains the multiple name of post, number of post and their reservations. Candidates have reservations under their category. Here the field engineer and field supervisor's age limit, educational qualification, experience and salary details are given. Candidates read it carefully before you apply for this vacancy. Candidates also have some additional benefits at the date of joining. Candidates have relaxations and concessions under their category. Selection process is based on only interview. Reserved category candidate should obtain 30% and unreserved category candidate should obtain 40% in written test and personal interview. For field engineer vacancies, candidates have to pay ₹300 and for field supervisor vacancies, they have to pay ₹200 for application fees. Application fees should be paid only by demand draft drawn in favor of this address. Here some important instructions are given to candidates. Candidates read it carefully before you apply in online application. These copies of documents have to enclosed with a hard copy of online application, that is demand draft, date of birth certificate, educational qualification certificate, community certificate, experience certificate, declaration form, disability certificate, discharge certificate. The hard copy of online application and documents should send to this address. Here some general instructions are given to candidates. Candidates read it carefully before you apply for online application. The opening and closing date of online submission are clearly mentioned in this table. Candidates read it carefully. After reading all these instructions, candidates now go back to Freshers Live page and scroll down the page. Here we see click here to apply button and click on it. This is the online application form of Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Candidates, please read all the important guidelines before fill the online application. At first, candidates have to fill their preliminary details like name, father's name, community category, gender, date of birth and venue of written examination. Here, candidates have to fill their educational qualification details and their duration. Please fill your correct communication address with contact number and email ID. After fill all these columns, candidates now click the continue button for next page. Here candidates have to fill their experience details. After fill all these columns, candidates now click the agree button and submit the application. This is the preview of online application. Candidates have to download this application and affix a recent passport size photograph with a signature and enclose all supporting documents and send to particular address. This application and copies of documents should send to this address. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.